guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's episode, I'll be sharing a live with Shebada. Shebada talk up the things to Cheese, because the ongoing saga has been going on between Dan and Cheese, and a lot of people involved. Sometimes they can mix up your sweet because you can't take this thing seriously. You really cannot take this thing seriously at all. So guys, enough of me talking. Let's get to the next clip where Shebada is getting into it.
Me just I was say, she's if the stepmother file for the picnic. Where you badger the lady for? Them don't need social security for going to school. They don't need no social security. And she's nobody no want to tell you the truth, but me go tell you the truth. At the tax return money you want. And for sure you you're unfair. She's I go always make you lose out in a life. You have a nasty habit. You have a dirty, stinking attitude. Everything you must hustle after. Everything you must hustle. Nobody enough to make no money if you not make none. I say.
So guys, you hear what Shebada say? At the tax return money Cheese want. That's why Cheese a ball for the social security number. So, because if somebody help you get your child in America, and the person the person have to use them documents obviously to get the child there. I don't know American law, but according to what I'm listening to these people, you are responsible for the person who you file for 5 years. So me not understand why Cheese would go on so, because if you don't, what the people them say, you do not need social security number to register your child in a school. All you need are like birth paper and passport. So anyway guys, let's continue listening to what Shebada have to say about Cheese. Remember to like, share and subscribe.
Yes, dear, I don't like it. I don't like it for sure. Everything, you come like you're hungry more than the world. You know, say your life not better. No care where you grabble up, your life not bettering. And it's just the truth, Cheese. No care how people try with you, you let them down. You just have a nasty, dirty, stinking attitude. You don't need that. At the tax return money you want. You know, see it fitting for the woman calico for your picnic. How you so bright and the woman file for your child. Let the lady collect. Let her collect. You win some, you lose some. You have your child beside you, you want hustle. But I don't have, nobody is giving me anything. Then why you breed? And you're going to pick your insurance. She's you out of order. You're way out of pocket. And if nobody don't want to tell you the truth, you come on the era cry. She's you're wicked and rude. Somebody do something for you. Not even for you, for your picnic. Somebody give your child an opportunity. You understand me? Whether you and the father, they are not. Whether the father like him or not. The child get an experience most of us would like. Them file for your picnic. Make the woman collect the tax return money. Make sure collect it. People don't want to tell you the truth, but it's the truth. That's why I ask her what kind of shit this is. This is a new series. Don't do that. You see, that's why me and una can't be friend on the internet because una have dirty. You see, una a friend killer. You see, una on the internet, a friend killer. Una a friend killer on the internet. I mean, nobody want to say. From world dog go right down to the communist TikToker. Una a friend killer. The whole of una a friend killer. You're too out of order. I could never file for your people. Well, maybe me would do it, but Cheese, have some heart. Have some heart. Have some heart. You don't love your picnic. You don't love your child. And if nobody no want to tell you the truth, you love the dolly more than you love the child. Because you don't have to spend time on the dolly. You don't like your child. And people for me fear. Some of them for go, man. Una for go. Una to go. Una don't fear. You too damn out of order. Me say if nobody no hungry belly, me know say cheese hungry belly like dog. You have some dirty demeaning ways. Me want know if you're big woman Orin, not good, not at all self. Can I tell you that cheese you have dirty ways. Very nasty ways. I would never want to be a friend. Me that wave to you from afar. I would never want to be a friend, cheese. You have nasty personality. Your personality stink. You see, nobody know for help Una in a life. You, cheese. You see, you, nobody must not help you in a life. You, dirty girl, nobody know for help you. You're too damn out of order. I don't care. I don't care. The woman file for your picnic, make sure calic off for him. Make sure calic off for your child. Tax season now come up. Tax season now come up and that you want the social for. You dirty cheese. All of a sudden now you're a picnic, then why you never send for him? Why you never send for him? Why you never file for him? Miss run up and down. Why you never talk about help people? Don't help nobody, you know. Because we don't know what help is. You see, if only did ever know what help is, I get a glimpse of how to do help. Only that speak differently. Cheese, if nobody not tell you, you alone stay. So when me a class, everybody will have their dirty ways. So don't feel special. Don't feel special. Don't feel like a bread and butter or a boom and rum. Don't you ever when have some dirty stinking ways. Nobody know to help you, cheese. Cheese, you for rotten. You for just rotten away. Nobody know to help you. Let me say this to you. You see, helping someone, it comes with gratitude. You don't have nothing to offer or help you. So the most you have to offer is gratitude. That is something we don't have. Anything me that want to be in the presence. Una dirty people. Una nasty. And if nobody cannot tell you cheese the honest truth, I don't care if you want to say you're a child, you should have filed for him. If you know say tax season now come up, why you never bring up your little boy? Why? You have all of the insurance that you're on gonna leave them. And I cuss you know. Me just I tell you how nasty you be. You are very nasty. You see, because none of us help people, the helper only claim to sell an offer to people. Could have stake as a curse on a curse people. If you not ever take up that bag here because it's in my way, a curse will not try curse me. Do not help me. Do not help me. On a curse. On a little bit and curse. On a walk in judgment. You are go watch the facts like taxis now come up. You have a tax say nobody isn't giving me anything for the little boy. Nobody never said you go breed. I'm gonna go for the gun fair. You have one of them are gonna go for the gun fair. Yeah. Nobody never give me nothing for. Nobody isn't giving me anything for the little boy. Nobody not supposed to give nothing cheese when you run up and down all over the globe and I go on like you have it more than everybody on the internet cheese. Eh? That's why you could have take the thing with twip did lend you and sell it. Cheese me not like you nasty. He's a nasty person, a very nasty person. I mean not talk nasty like no clean your bathroom and stuff. Your ways is very nasty. He's a nasty rat bat. I would never want to sit in a room with you, me da feel drained. How better are you than Ivani? Me I come to Ivani because she am mad over Sheba's son when him sing. But me I come to Ivani. Me don't know if today or tomorrow, but me I come. Eat where you share. You know why me can speak so passionately about this? And I'm going to speak the truth. Why I can speak passionately about this. You see, when you help some dirty germs, you don't help them because you want to help yourself, you know. You help them because you did deal with somebody for them. You help them because they genuinely need help. You know, them turn around. And today we are talking about this, you know, where I say, some people want you mind them. Cheese. Some people want you to mind them. If the woman filed for the child because she had take the father cocky, she's supposed to. Now let the woman know. When the woman have filed for the picnic and never say nothing, why you never object to bother rat? Why you never object? Why you never object when the father take the child? I couldn't say it within the cheese. You know why me couldn't be your friend because I have to tell you the truth. Because I say so cocky cheese. Me have to tell you the truth. You're a hustler for the child, you don't like the child, you don't want the child. You're a hustler for the picnic. Hustle. A dirty mama like Uno may always come on the internet and talk about nasty stinking mother like Uno. That's why Uno could have never done me. Uno could have never done me. I don't come on here for look for an crowd. Oh, I don't come on this for look for an crowd. Oh, you could have never done me. Uno stink like shit. You stink like shit from the people them know your cheese. Them never see you with your picnic yet. The closest them come to you and Bert is a dolly. Is a dolly. Leave the lady alone. The people them for tell you the truth. You see on a stinking Jamaican. You see on a waste opportunity. On a waste opportunity on a stinking Jamaican. On a nasty so cocky Jamaican. We curse. Walking destruction. You're too out of order. Somebody help your picnic to find better, because if you are a big stinking adult and you are run down foreign for opportunity, you should be grateful your child is there earlier than you. And somebody help him get there. Imagine a year seed where you piss out. And you couldn't do the miracle there for the child. But now you want cause corruption, I want the internet. She's gonna suck yourself. Yeah, I want to tell cheese to go suck herself with a fire hose. Cause you know, you're not little, you know. Not for true. You don't understand. You see, all them dirty girls you can't see, you see, all them stinking girls on the internet can't see, is $sign. Them too ungrateful. Ungratefulness is worse than witchcraft. Now, but not trouble me a cheese argument, me, you know, sir. Yeah. Ungratefulness is worse than witchcraft. Cheese, me not lie, is a nasty individual. You're dog shit, you know. You're dog shit. You're destruction. You're not better than Ivani. You're done better. Neck and neck. What's that, you know, do the neck exercise? Do the next exercise. Do you say you can't shrink? Yeah. You're not too out of order. Cheese is a nasty girl. You see, a lot of you guys on here wouldn't understand how passionate I am towards this as it concerns health. Me help stinking mudfish, you know. Me help suck cocky can, you know. And all them coulda do is come on the internet and class me. Yeah, me see it. When I talk about a fair picnic, so what? You bought a pair of shoes? What now? I guess you think I owe you? You don't have to call as much as you do. I'll give them back to me through with you. Yeah, you're a boogaboo. No, me an aquarium. Yes. When me tell you say mudfish sleep on my floor. On my floor, mudfish sleep. Me carry mudfish girl to England with me. Mudfish where we bust and pop. People, and that chat me a chat still, you know. You understand me, but me not mean it for no harm. I just mere example as me tell them from beginning. You see, when you take up somebody and have them beside you and say, Frenny, come, you're my friend. You change all the breath in their mouth. You put clothes on them body, food in them belly. You ensure so them healthy. And when them come back home say, none of them wouldn't know. And then have the audacity fear call me what you see how God good? Cheese, you got dead bad, you know. You got dead real bad. Real bad. Cause you mash up in a life already. Life don't kick you like a ball, you lose air, you deflate. Honestly. You got dead bad. You are got dead bad. You are got dead bad in a cheese. You don't know where you do all now, you know. You just had to. Yeah, you got dead real bad. You're a nasty girl. And you may cuss as a person and may cuss your spirit. You see, your spirit what you have is a dirty spirit you have. Your spirit. Your spirit what you have. Yeah, it's true. You can't be so ungrateful. You cannot be like that. And you see, inoculate the entire internet. You realize you send out energy on the internet. You realize that cheese you and nobody. You and nobody. No matter how people want to like you, before them even respect you, you turn back their mind. Me say for me like the woman now that never let go, I collect tax day in day out. Me not letting go until I'm 18. Me not let go until I'm 18. Me not have the daddy, but I forget some out of the father. It's a pity how you breed and the stepmother inherit that burn your cheese. And you bring forth the baby and the stepmother inherit. All when no man is that around. See the lady insurance and the lady pension that, vagina pension. For where the man where you couldn't use, the baby father where you couldn't use. See the mama using the mama use him offspring. One yeah? Only for split justice. Any I didn't even feel my mama in that case. I just say, my mother, you can't do that. The woman send for him, make she take till she tired. When you make it, so you can't make it over there, so go look. You're too hungry. You're too hungry. As someone on the phone upon the net, you go do your body and you're broke. Make a talk about that. Go back, go give them back them shape and take back your shape. Go back. Cause you never know say you're that broke. Me don't know how you do your body and broke. So when you have plant, no maintenance. No maintenance. Leave the lady alone. Nobody not even know say you have son of foreign. Nobody not even did know. Nobody not even know so the man never want you. You rather disgrace yourself in order for collect a stipend. Cheese me a chat, cheese. Yeah. And she just attack always she don't know. Always you don't know, you just attack, you just fly your mouth. And you're not listening to what your friend has said to you. You're not listening. The lady I try to talk to you, you're not listening. No, listen to that voice note here. Stop. Nobody know for help your cheese. Cheese if you walk the streets of New York. Nobody know for help you. You think me would I want to say me and una par? Huh? You think me that want to say no man, me that I couldn't sleep with you say I couldn't sleep and under near me. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do the one eye open and the one eye closed. I could never do that. Me have to steer upon you. Me not even a quint. On a demon. On a dog shit. Nobody not tell you now when people talk about on a dirty behavior, when they get offensive, when they took offense to it, when they get offended and everything. I'm gonna sick my stomach. What you bring forth? Why in a life when you run up and down cheese, you never grab what is yours? Why you grab telco? You ever bless the shelf yet in a telco? You ever organize the shelf in a telco? Why? You see your life funny? I know dirty people like you, people who sell people things and go back to teeth it after it fix up. You. I'm gonna call myself genius, survivor. I know dirty people like you, cheese. I mean, I go sit down like your friend them and tell you, say, cheese, I true, the girl this and the girl, no, the woman right. You run left your things them, if you run left your house, the boy them capture it. You can't come back from foreign and claim it, community change. You know the runnings, cause you're a thief. Eh? You know the runnings. If security now look, you take up what is not yours. So why you have a problem now? Eh, me get that cause your man coming at me. Me never know say a copper shot the boy and shoot out. And so me get that, my love. I saw it go. Yeah, back to cheese. Cheese will not leave you, not forsake you. We'll help you and guide you. They have dirty ways. Mr. You see, sometimes you see some of us on the internet and always speak. You say, I like this person, but you don't know us when the camera lock off. You don't. You don't. I mean, no, say, cheese, listen to me. She forget the message. I don't want the lady cheese to give you back any social. Miss, file the tax to the little boy and collect the money. File the tax, collect the money. Emotional damage. Yeah, damage our emotion. File the tax. Collect the money. Cheese can't turn up at your door. Cheese cannot turn up at your door. Cheese badness expire, miss. You can't stay there. She can't turn up at your door, baby. No, she cannot. She cannot. File the tax and collect the money. When you and the man did good, you file for the little boy. Now the man gone out and the two are no hole. To hell with him and he doesn't look back on the little boy. Lady collect. Lady collect till the little boy reach age. Yeah. Collect.